Hello, brothers and sisters in Pretoria. This is Kit Cummings, all the way from Atlanta. Just shouting out to you to tell you I am so excited to reconnect with you guys again. Some of you I might have met back in 2012 when I made what was a life-changing trip for me down to your beautiful country, and it changed my life. So excited, and the young man that was waiting on me when I got off the plane in the continent of Africa, not knowing anybody yet, was my beautiful brother Raj. I know you guys love him to death, and we connected, became fast friends. And all these years later, I've talked about him, and I finally got to reconnect. And I saw an email this week, and it was from Raj. And it was reaching out to see about doing this 40 days of prayer journey together. And my heart leapt. And then I got to connect with Temba. What an amazing brother and a great leader. So grateful, Brother Temba, that you and your leadership team have decided to take this journey. And so we connected really fast and easy. But anyway, I told stories about you guys for years. In one of the books that I wrote, you guys are in it. Just impacted me so much. And my faith grew when I was there. My heart, it grew too. And so we're going to get to do this together. I can't wait for you guys to experience this. It's a process I put together about 7 or 8 years ago, right about the time I got down to see y'all. And it became a way that I connect with God. And I pray bold prayers, very specific. And then I have a 7-point method, a process to help me to retrain the brain that God gave me to see God in the details. I know a lot of us might pray in the morning and pray very generally, and then not watch for God's fingerprints throughout the day. And that's what this is all about, to have a real step-by-step process to connect with God, to pray big, bold, specific prayers that scare you a little bit, and then to go on a journey to search for God's answers and really see Him working in the details of your life. It's a miracle journey. It's a spiritual breakthrough project. And I'm doing it with several churches. I've done it in prisons. I've done it with a corporate team or two. And so this thing is, it's simple, it's powerful, and I cannot wait to do it with you. I know once I reconnect with you again and our hearts are bonded through the Spirit, I'm going to have to get on a plane, come and see you again. So this will be the beginning of that. So until I see you again, we're going to be meeting on Zoom calls. I think midweek as I'm going to get to see you face to face and hear your voices, and we're going to use technology to bring our hearts together, our spirits together, our minds together, so that we can start seeing miracles together. All right, until then, I'm going to be praying for you, and you guys pray for us. We're all in this together. I will see you soon. Be the peace that you wish to see in the world. See you soon, family.